Optimum Mobile provides several convenient ways to check your bill. You can access it through the Optimum app or the Optimum website. Both platforms allow you to view your current charges, download past statements, and review your billing history. Typical bills include base plan fees, add-ons like international roaming, taxes and fees averaging 10 to 15% of total, and any usage-based charges. The bill is generated monthly. The Optimum app has been recently enhanced with AI bill summaries, which highlight usage anomalies and offer cost-saving tips. The Optimum website allows for single sign-on integration, which will allow you to view your bills instantly without logging in multiple times. Bills are protected by two-factor authentication and encryption. You can also call 1-844-OPTIMUM or use the online chatbot to get an overview of your bill. To download your bill, log into the Optimum app or website, then navigate to the billing section. Select the bill you wish to download. The bill will be available as a PDF, so ensure you have a PDF viewer installed on your device. Your billing history, including past payments and adjustments, is stored for up to 2 years online. Since July 2025, Optimum has shifted to a flexible billing model, allowing users to choose monthly, bi-monthly, or annual billing cycles. If you notice any discrepancies, you can contest a charge via the website's Dispute Bill feature. The billing process is evolving towards automation and personalization, with AI integration for predictive billing and integration with digital wallets for auto payments. This will reduce late fees by 20% and provide real-time analysis of potential extra charges.